channel. It's Quiara B and welcome to Vlogtober. Yes, I am doing Vlogtober, but I'm doing it a little differently, and we'll discuss that here as I put me some water into my cup and stuff like that. But with that being said, how are you guys doing? Did you guys miss me? I missed you guys. I did. I missed really uploading and stuff like that. But when I tell you, and I know I have talked about this multiple times, this transition and just transitioning in life has been so different. It's been different, y'all. So with that being said, hey guys, I'm back. Gotta put some lemon and lime in my water, and then I need to, and I use sparkling water. And lemon and lime with the sparkling water is so good. It's been making me drink a lot more water. But anyway, how have you been? I've been great. I've been good. Trying to figure out life, but always in a good spirit about it. So Vlogtober is here. And we got some great things coming this October. So we have homecoming. HBCU homecoming, love it. We're getting ready for a trip. We got hair maintenance, beauty maintenance, because I have a slick back bun. I have no nails because work has been crazy lately. So yeah, work has been when I say crazy, when I say I've never in my life experienced planning process like this. I've never experienced a planning process like this. So yeah, work has been crazy. Ooh, these are better lemons than the ones I usually get. So I'm gonna have to go to the store to get all these and go to get these lemon lime. But so that's that. My nephew officially turned 1 last week. It's been a year in our lives. He's not particularly fond of me right now. We're having a little beef. It's okay. He just gotta get used to me again. It's cool and fine and dandy. What else? I don't know, y'all. What else? So yeah, we gotta chat this Vlogtober. We are going to do stuff. We have a birthday coming up in almost over 30, a little bit more than 30 days. We also have what else going on? So I'm gonna do Vlogtober, and then November is my birthday month, so I think I'm going to like do like a little bit more too for November, and then Vlogmas. So yeah, we are going to check in for the last quarter of the year. I have a lot of other things coming on. That's what I want to tell you guys before I go back upstairs to work. Vlogtober is going to be a little different. I might have vlogs coming out, and I also might have like try on hauls coming out or get ready with me. It's not always going to be vlog. Like, I want to do other stuff, and I also want to prep as much as I can, and it's going to be every other day. So every other day you get a vlog from me. So the odd number days you get vlogs from me. Sorry guys, that's just how I do it. Like I said, it's been a busy work time for me in work, so I have to do it that way to keep up. But let me see. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogtober. Y'all coming with me today. We have to work like always. We are going to go for a walk because I got to get back on my exercising. Last week I only worked out 2-3 times last week. That's not good for me. So today we are doing a walk. And then we have to go to Home Goods to return that picture, and then I think this and cooking tonight, cooking sloppy joes. So yeah, with that being said, I am about to get back to work. I took a little break before I get back to it because baby, and hold on, I need to show y'all the body because I am really working out and just getting myself together. Look at the body. We are getting there. Baby, we're getting there. So with that being said, guys, I will talk to you guys here shortly, a little bit later. Hey guys, we're about to go for a walk first, but I have to put this up again. I forgot how to do this the first time. Yes, honey, and yes. Okay, that's that. I need to go inside and go get the thing I need to take back. Oh, I need to put my things back on. Let's go inside and get the rest of my stuff in my trash for trash day tomorrow, and let's head out. How you doing with Cairo?
Oh, Curvy scary.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, he going up to Bentley and everything.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. He's not flinched or anything in any way. So, yeah, he's doing pretty good.
Okay.
But he just your dog won't drink no water or nothing. Whatever flea what you call it is.
You don't got no more? You don't have any more? Okay. Okay guys, I am back. I'm going to end off this vlog. This is day one. It's really quick, simple. I didn't even take you anywhere. This is basically just an explanation of what I plan on doing for Vlogtober. Basically, it's just a little bit of everything. It's hauls, it's routines, it's my daily life, it's the different events that I got going on this month, and everything like that. So today is day one of Vlogtober. 3 and 5. Once again, I am only doing every other day. So the odd number days I will be uploading. 3 and 5 are going to be different vlogs. 7 might be a vlog, but if not, I know 9 and 13 will definitely. 9 and 13 is a vlog. I know that much. 11, I don't know yet. I gotta figure that out. So, with that being said, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Quiara B _. And until next time, loves, I will see you later for this whole Vlogtober. Bye.